What is going on, my people, on this lovely Sunday? I just got back from picking up these shoes. They dropped last week. I hit on the raffle. I always put in just in case, just to get my own point of view for these shoes. Now, this is a very interesting shoe. I wanted to hold them in hand, just check out the shoe, the texture, all of that good stuff. I don't think this might be my cup of tea. But before we get into this review, again, thank everybody for checking out Who Has the Heat. If y'all haven't, subscribe to the channel. We just hit 200. We're growing. We're trying to get to 1K. So go over there and check it out. The links is always in the description along with the sis, 313 Retro Queen, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF. All right. And so this year I will be doing my normal Christmas giveaway between Christmas and New Year's. I'm also go check out my my highlighted channel, feature channels, right? As you always see, like over there to the right, you got Melanie Sweet and Jonah Vlog, Shoes Up, Sleeves Down, Ashley Reviews. I call her Ash Cat. She's celebrating her birthday. Cutie Queen was celebrating her birthday this month. 313 celebrating her birthday this month. And Pam Money is on the feature channel as well. Now, I know everybody don't like me do all this talking, so let's get into this review. These shoes, it's an Air Jordan 12. As you can see, PP personal pair, size 10. The suggested retail price is $190 of them things. You see, you got the QR code. The official colorway is black, dark Concord black. The Navy Exchange had them for $149 this weekend. They got 27% off. I got these, I think, for $108. $108. You guys let me know, is that worth keeping for $108 or not? To me, just my first initial reaction on this shoe was, man, this is just another variation of the Master 12. So, am I going to keep that same energy? You see, you got the OG box. Same box that we've been getting lately with the Jordan 11, which I'm not really happy about that, because when I paid $220 for the 11s, I want all the bells and whistles. So, with that being said, you see you got this stuff like this. Then you got your normal paper. And let's see. Nah, this ain't it, Chief. It ain't it, Chief. This reminds me of those other ones that came. I can't remember if they was high top or low top, but they was like a oranges. I think they was low top. They was like black and orange looking, and they sat for the longest. Actually, and then they had the other shoe that just dropped too. Was like the reverse 12, I think it was. Not reverse 12, reverse taxi, if I ain't mistaken. Had the same type material, but actually that one that sold out eventually. It was pretty dope on feet. But just for if you wanted to use this for a balling shoe, it's kind of a neutral color, so you can. This is one of the shoes that you actually can still ball in. As you can see underneath, you got the herringbone traction, you got your Jumpman, you got your 23 and Concord, you got your carbon fiber. As you can see, coming around on this side, you see you got your reptilian skin and you got your Jumpman and this type materials here. I don't think it's a leather. It's like a suede. I don't know, maybe a leather suede. It's like a hybrid, but I don't know what it is. But like I said, these ain't it, Chief. Then you can see underneath there, you got Jordan, inspired by the greatest player ever. Your pull tab. I'm all over the place on it. I'm just can't believe this shoe. You got 2-3. You got your Concord Jumpman right there. As you can see, make sure you see it. Factory laces, like I say, I ain't even tried that because I know this is my size. On the eyelets, you got your baby Jumpman. As you can see it right there. Come around on the media side, you have nothing. As you can see, nothing. Right? And on the inside, you got your QR code with your production date, production date is as follows: 4/1/20, 7/2/20. You got your shoe tree in this shoe, which always says 10, 10.5. I always try to keep my shoe tree. My daughter and them, they always take it out. I like to keep my shoes true to form. I'm trying to think what would actually help this shoe. I don't know if a custom would save this shoe or not, and where would you actually put the custom hit? Because like I said, in my mind, I see this as a different variation, a poor variation of the Master 12, because right here, right, you have the white, then you have your gold hits and be all black back here, right? So, and then the Master 12 is leather versus this pleather or fade suede or whatever we want to call this. But yeah, I mean, to each his own. I can see some glue marks on the shoe too in the black. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but you can see it. And now you got a little bit on this side as well. So yeah, I mean, I ain't mad at people who caught this shoe, but this ain't my cup of tea. I don't know what you're gonna do with it, but I mean, hey, Jordan Brand been dropping off a lot of shoes during this pandemic, and everybody just, I mean, I don't know, I'm not a ones person, so I'm all good with that. But just checking out the second shoe, as you can see that as well. But yeah, nah, definitely ain't the biz. But shout out to the Navy Exchange for letting me hit on the raffle. That's the way to keep the ruckers down. Hopefully they get in the Mocha one, because definitely will be going after that, because I want to compare those three: the Mocha one rear versus the Travis Scott versus the Biohack, to see which one got the best was that back booty stroke, right, with the suede. But on the lit meter now, to get back on topic of this shoe, you don't have that smell. You always want to smell the shoe, but it don't have that distinguished foam positive smell, just a regular nice Jordan 12 smell. On the lit meter, price is $190. You gotta deduct points for that. Originality, gotta deduct points for that. Alright, this is probably gonna be my lowest rating I've given a shoe in a while, but I'm gonna give this shoe a 4, right? A 4. I don't know about this shoe. Maybe if I got it for $50, it would be worth keeping, but nah, my people, this is, like I said, this ain't it, Chief. I don't know what y'all gonna do, but this is not it. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below if you copped it. Like I said, we always say rock and cop what you like. This is just my opinion, only my opinion only. Other people may think it's dope, but for me, nope, and double nope. So don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. And peace, love, chicken grease, Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Deuces.